What's up, guys? Welcome back. Hopefully you had a good, what is it, Thursday. Kodak is at it again. So this is now a more steady, nice, trustworthy trend upwards that I see on Kodak, at least. Yesterday, today is the second time it's happened to me with Kodak, where I sold a call on it and then it shoots up and I end up buying the call back, so I'm not capped at my gains. And I did it with Kodak again here. I bought it back for 147, the call I had. And then it actually dropped down a little bit, but then it came back up. And look at you, Kodak. Today it was up, where are we at, 4 o'clock? 20% today? That's what I'm talking about. I called it out in our video yesterday. I said, I think Kodak's going to have a continuation or something, because it had this great news and it went up 30%. 60, yeah, basically ended up 30% for that day. I was like, that just doesn't seem like enough when you look at their chart from 3 months ago, and it shot all the way up to 60 something bucks on the same news. 45, but this is maybe it's 45, I don't know. I thought it was like 60. So yeah, I think it's got room to grow. So I bought calls on Kodak. I didn't go too crazy. You know, nothing too wild. Here, what is going on? What is this? Here is my position. Expires tomorrow. Yep, super short. But check it out. It's up 150% already. Because Kodak just went on a tear after I bought it. I should have bought it earlier on. Should have bought it way earlier in the day. I didn't. Kodak was green here, and I wasn't even thinking about options. I was thinking about my shares of Kodak, and I was thinking about my covered call that was losing value because it's kept going up. So around this time, I bought my covered call back. So I spent money, got out of that, and then it was shooting up. And then let me look at this. Look at this thing. Here's my order. I bought 4 contracts at 1530. Where's 1530? Yeah, see, I was kind of late on it. I mean, it was already starting to run. But right here, I bought 4 contracts, and yeah, it already basically broken out of this trend it was in. And I was like, well, if Kodak does it, might as well have some naked calls on it. So here we go. I bought them here, and from the time it was here to here, it was up 150% already. Excuse me. And now I'm going to show you the option chain. So when I bought it, there was no activity on really any of these. See, now it says it's 40. I got it for 15. Yeah, these were all... There was like gaps in them. There's no volume. People weren't buying and selling them. And then once it started to shoot up towards the end of the day, it started going crazy, and I can't believe it's it's already up 150%. And after hours, look, it's gone up 5 more percent after hours. This thing might take off tomorrow. Hope you guys got some calls. Hope we got something on it if Kodak continues to go crazy. Tomorrow, I'll probably, depending on where it's at, if it looks like it's going to keep going, I'll hold it for a bit. If it seems like it's flattening out, where it reverse or start coming back down, I'll probably sell. So I'll sell 1 to cover it. I can sell 1 and easily get back my 60 bucks. I think. Well, no, I guess maybe not. Well, if it'll be higher tomorrow though, because it's already gone up 5% now, unless it drops after hours. But I think it'll keep going. So I'll probably sell 1 for whatever I can get for it, and then hold the 3 and just kind of scale out of it pretty much. Actually, wait, this expires tomorrow. This is crazy. Okay, yeah, I will scale out pretty quickly on this since this expires tomorrow, and it's for 12.50, and it's not even, I mean, it might hit there tomorrow. It might hit 16 tomorrow, but I'm gonna scale out pretty quick. So that's quick expiration. Typically I don't do those, but and on this one I actually maybe want more time. We'll see. Maybe tomorrow, if it has a dip and I still see a good trend going up, I'll buy some more for later expiration. But yeah, these gains sick already, man. 150 bucks from 60. That ain't bad. That was Kodak. What else did we get going today? Not a whole lot. I was looking at DKNG, man. This thing kept going. I was kind of surprised. All this, I was thinking, okay, it's probably gonna settle back down, and it did. Extended hours, and then look at that, dude. The thing just go. It just keeps going. It just wants to go. I mean, I think this, once it has a good dip, like it's low on the RSI on the daily, you know, maybe like 40 or something is down here. Maybe I'll buy some shares of it, because yeah, this might be a good business. Right now, as you see, it's overbought on the daily, and this is way far extended, so I feel like it's probably going to settle back down here at some point. Because if you see, I mean, look at this. This was overbought for so long, though. That's crazy. It was overbought here, and it just kept running up. Wow. So it's hard to tell the reversal. I mean, this is a daily chart, but then you see the MACD crosses here, so that was a sign, and then it kind of goes back up a little bit. And by that point, the RSI is evened out, and then it kind of falls off. So we'll see. It might have a pattern similar to that. So this might only be the beginning. It might run up to $70 or so before it levels. I don't know, but I got out of my calls on that, and it's all right. It's good. I got out of it. It was the right time. I made 600% or something on it, and I looked at it later, and the option was only. I would have made maybe another $20 on it. Given I had till the end of this month, so who knows where it'll be at the end of the month. Maybe it'll be way higher. But that is DraftKings. What else did we do? That's KODAK. So the Tesla move at the end of the day, how it's been doing. Tesla, my debit spreads on Tesla said there was negative like 250 all day, so we're down like 500 most of the day. And then right before close, they shoot up and negative 193. Whatever that means. That happened to you guys? Because it's happening to me. We're down today, 221. No problem, not a big deal. After hours we're up 120. I'm not too sure. Maybe that's KODAK. KODAK doesn't have a huge swing on my account though. I only have 100 shares. Yeah, Tesla's kind of selling off today a little bit. That kind of has a pretty big effect on my account right now. Oh, that's what I did. I bought 20 more shares of Rocket. So Rocket, I wanted in long term. I only had 80 shares of it. I bought it basically at the worst time ever. Bought it like $32 or $33 right before earnings, right about here, and it's been plummeting ever since. So I bought into it today. I bought into it somewhere here, which again I didn't do it great, but it just got oversold here, and this is a long consolidation. I feel like this is a good. I mean, their earnings report that made it drop here, the earnings was amazing. So the fact that it dropped is just priced in. And then kind of this was that day where the market crashed. So kind of a combination of all that. So I think it's due. It's due for a run up for sure. Because here's where it IPO'd, somewhere around here. And then it's lower right now than the support. It missed that support and made its own. So here was the support. I was hoping it was going to stay there, but it came lower. But now this is kind of a support. So we'll see. Hopefully it's a good one long term. But basically I got 100 shares of it so I could sell covered calls. And that's exactly what I did today. So I picked up 20 more shares and we sold a covered call on it. So here's a covered call. It's only $10. It expires. Does this expire? Oh yeah. Expires October this. Oh man. Okay. Oh, because I got a 31 call. Is that why? Yeah, okay, so I got a 31 call because my price on this, my average price, it came down when I bought 20 more shares, which is really nice. But, you know, 31.59. But now if I do a covered call, I want it to be at least over that, so I'm not ever losing money in case it shoots up. So I had to get a far expiration. That's right. So basically, if Rocket keeps going down, then I'll just keep selling covered calls. But yeah, at $31. Yeah, I guess possibly I would lose a little money, just a tiny bit, if this gets exercised. So yeah, it was only $10 and it expires October the 2nd. So we'll see. We'll see what happens here. That's Robinhood, and then I got that KODAK play I'm stoked about. Our E-Trade, nothing good really. We have the BA, which doing all right. Going a little slower than I'd like. FedEx didn't do good today either, kind of sold off. So kind of waiting on those, and then of course Tesla, I'm kind of holding quite a large position for its run up to battery day, which hopefully wasn't this. Hopefully there's another one, because I think it's what we've got like another week until it happens. So we'll see on that. I guess that's it, guys. Hopefully you had a good one. Remember to sub up, like up, comment down. Let me know what plays you're into. Make your money happy money so it'll stick around. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Peace out.